Hi, everybody. Welcome to Creative Pouring. I'm Cheryl. Today, I've got a little bit of leftover Teexpert resin that I mixed with one of the other pours I had, and I had some white in it, some of the white Teexpert epoxy pigment paste, pure white. And what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to take my alcohol ink and I'm going to spray it in these, and I'm going to drop my green and my sapphire alcohol inks in it to get a really neat look with some white behind it, hopefully. Okay, let me go ahead. I see a spot I got to clean up real quick. There we go. Okay, we ready for this? I'm gonna try something different. I've never tried the spraying a little bit of alcohol in it first, but I was told, and I can't remember who said it, that if you pour it in there, it spreads it better. I have no idea, but we're gonna try. Never hurts to try, right? Hope I got enough in there to move it around. Let's go ahead and pour this white in there. That red and blue together looks beautiful with the white. I'm going to overfill it, but I want to make sure I get enough in there. Look at that. All that. I didn't even have to push the bubbles because there's no bubbles in it. Although there's some in here, do you see? So what you can do is just lift the edge up a little bit. Let the air out and squeeze the corner. Oh, that didn't do it. Well, that's okay because I'll just get in there with a micro brush. To get that hole out of there. You see how I pulled that out, that bubble? Trying not to mess up the design so much, but I'd rather have no bubbles. There we go. Let's go ahead and finish pouring. And I'm going to fill it up. There we go. Because I want to get a little bit of a raised edge on it so it will, because resin shrinks a little bit. So we'll see how this works out. And I will be back to unmold it. Yeah. I'll be back to unmold it when it's cured. Okay. It's demolding day. Okay, let's go ahead and unmold the base here. I know it's just a little bit of a video, but I wanted to find out what it would do with some white behind it. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh my goodness gracious, look at that. That turned out amazing. Wow. That white just gives it that depth. And since I got all those bubbles out from underneath it, look at that. There's no bubbles in that one. Ooh, look at that. That is a cute little container. A lot of green on this one, where it's just a little bit of green on that. That is too cute. That's one of my favorite techniques that I use, the ink drop technique. Well, it's got a little bit of bubbles under here, but that's nothing. But yeah, with that ink drop technique, using white behind it just makes it even more amazing. Wow. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this pour as much as I did. If you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. I'll have pictures at the end. And until next time, keep creating, keep pouring. Bye for now.